Alright, here we go. This is a map of the world. Big, beautiful, and honestly, a little overwhelming. But don't panic. This Christmas season, we are delving into the Caribbean Sea. Up north, Jamaica is doing its own thing. Down south, Barbados is minding her own business. But we aren't stopping at the tourism brochure spots. Oh no! We are heading 16.74 degrees to the north and 62.18 degrees west. Welcome to the Emerald Isle of the Caribbean, Montserrat. A whole island that's only 10 miles long and 7 miles wide. Blink too fast on Google Earth and you'll miss us. But don't get it twisted. We are small but Talawa, popping with main character energy. Full of heart, culture, vibes, and enough drama. If you're not ready, get ready, because this season is about to be epic. Hey boos, welcome to day number 5 of Vlogmas. I am reporting to you guys from the office, but I am hungry. It is lunchtime and I think I have earned my lunch today. I cooked last night, as you would have seen in yesterday's episode, but I didn't get around to showing you guys what it is I made. Now, if you have been here for any time at all, if you were here for last year's Vlogmas, you can probably already guess what it is I cooked and what it is I'm going to share with you guys. But let me go warm my food, and while I'm doing that, I will drop last night's clip in so you can learn how to make stewed pork. Oh, it's so good. All right, guys, I'm back. So my pork has been bubbling for about 35 to 40 minutes so far. The fire has been turned way down low because this is a slow cook pork and it is, oh, so succulent. So I'm going to go ahead and add some potatoes because it just helps to like beef it up a little bit more, add some more substance. Oh, it ends up being like a stew of sorts, but then you still need additional food to eat with it, like dumplings or white rice or something like that. I have commissioned my dad to make me some dumplings. Now, I can make dumplings, but they never look pretty. I just can't seem to nail it. I don't know what kind of island girl maybe if me can't make dumpling. Oh my God, my mother would be turning in her grave. They're edible, they're soft, they are fulfilling, they just don't look nice on a plate. So I called in daddy and he said he will do them for me, and that means I can concentrate on slow cooking my pork. So let me go ahead and add the potatoes. Then I'm going to cover the lid once again and let it cook for another, let's say like 25 to 30 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and add some beans or peas or whatever. I usually like to add red kidney beans or red kidney peas, red kidney beans, I think. But I don't have any. I have pink beans and I'm just going to use what I have. It doesn't make a huge difference, I guess, but my preference really is red kidney beans. So Let me go ahead and drop my potatoes. All right, guys, my meat is still on the fire, but the dumplings have arrived. I'll show you that in just a second. But guess what? I told you guys I would not do any advent calendars, and guess what I'm about to do? An advent calendar. My mini me is insistent. I'm telling you, mommy, please, 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 can we open the Haribo advent calendar thingy for the Vlogmas peoples? So I'm going to oblige her just this once. I don't think we're going to make this a habit because, nah, but she wants her debut, I guess, in the spotlight. So I'm going to give it to her. I'll oblige her for Christmas. So we're going to open the Haribo Advent Calendar. Maybe we'll mark off the naughty chats as well. Or maybe the good chats. We'll see. And then I can come back and see if my meat is done or close to done. Because I still need to go ahead and drop in my peas. Yeah. So let's go.
My turn?
Yes, it's your turn. Come. Come and say hi.
Hi.
Nobody can see you.
Hi.
Can we see you now?
Yes. Hi.
Hi. All right, let's do it. Grab your calendars. So we're looking for what day now? 3?
Yeah.
All right, so can you find number 3?
Yeah. Hang on.
Hold on, let me see. What are you doing? Did you find number 3? That's not number 3. Hold it around. Look very, very carefully. Can we spot number 3? Look where Nyla find her 3. Can you find yours? Look at Nyla. Look at Nyla.
Oh.
Do you see it? You see one like Nyla's? Up further, up further. Very good. Hooray. So that's one we're opening now. Can you do it? But I can't see. Press it in. Okay, hold on, MJ. Okay, go on now.
Candy.
What do you have? Ooh, look at that.
I know it's mine.
Just a minute. Is it too late for Candy to eat now?
Yeah.
So why are you eating it now?
You're hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Are you gonna share it with mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. All right, my belly full. I really just want to lie down and sleep, but unfortunately, some of us have to get back to work. So I will talk to you guys a lot later. Hey boos, I'm back. I've got more tea, more lemon tea. I swear, I feel like I've been fighting this cold or whatever this is for weeks. I've been trying to contain it by taking more vitamin C, drinking more like lemon tea, ginger tea, and so on and so forth. I don't know if I'm winning. At this point, I don't even know. But I promised you guys a check-in and we haven't done our cookie tin. So let me go ahead and pull a hot topic of the day. Boop, 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 boop. A nice little swish, a nice little swirl. And I am going to choose this one. And today's hot topic is muslins. Oops. Muslins. Proof is in the pudding. Now, I'm going to go ahead and what do I want to do? I need to finish changing my curtains. I kind of want to start putting up some of the Christmas tree decorations. So let me decide which one of those 2 chores I'm going to do, and then we can have a talk about muslins. All right. I'm back. And I have gone with chore number, was it 1 or number 2? Changing the curtains. Is this what I really want to do when I've come home from a long day of work? Nope. I really don't. And truth be told, because I want to do red and white with a little bit of silver on my tree, the curtains that I have up right now would probably best complement the decor that I have in my mind. Now I've got tubs and tubs of curtains, but all types of other colors, none of which go with my Christmas tree decorations. And I could almost kick myself for not taking these down and changing the curtains earlier this year so I could put these ones back up. And I almost had half a heart to take these down, wash them, and put them right back up because nobody will come in place anyway. But I don't know. Anyways, I've gonna pull some curtains. These ones do have gold in them, and I don't want gold on the tree this year. I have my mind made up now that I want red and white with a little bit of silver. Silver, gold, I guess we're mixing metals this year, but it is what it is. There is no requirement in my household to be perfect. I couldn't be even if I wanted to because my kids would never let me be that great. So I'm going to work with what I have and I'm going to take these ones down, vacuum around the walls. Listen, you would be surprised how fast cobweb just gather in a Caribbean household. Like, I do not know where they come from, I swear to you. So I'm just gonna take my curtains down, get rid of any cobwebs that I might spot with the Hoover, and then I'll go ahead and change them and put these ones back up. So here we go, adulting at its finest. I probably should have done this before I put the tree up, but I came home last week, Friday, before Vlogmas kicked off and started fluffing the tree. I haven't finished, and I'm really thinking no. I should have changed the curtains first here. So, today's hot topic is muslin, not to be confused with muslim. A muslin is a mock-up version of a garment, usually with just the main pattern pieces. Now, back in the day, I was the queen of muslins. I made muslins or toiles for almost every single garment. I would draw balance lines on the calico I was using, and that would signal where my problem areas were. Have you ever wondered how I became so anal with fit? Well, this is kind of where it started. Now, do you see these jacked up shorts in today's video? Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. But I can at least report that they are ready to wear. If I was going to make a shorts pattern, I would make a muslin first. Most definitely. I would cut the front and back shorts and the waistband. That's it. No pockets, no trimming, no hemming, none of that jazz. Just a basic shell to help me figure out what to do with this god-awful crotch. Alright, I'm done for tonight. So I have gone ahead and I've changed the curtains in the living room. And I've got one more spot, you guys, and it is in the kitchen. But I need to go ahead and look through some more boxes to see if I can find the shorter curtains that go above my kitchen window. And then I will be done with curtains until next year this time. I'm joking. Until about maybe around Easter, I'll change them again, maybe. But for now, I am tired. I am hot. I am sweaty. And I am tired. So I think with that, I'm going to call it quits on today's episode of Vlogmas. Thank you guys so much for kicking it with me. I know that a lot of YouTubers are doing Vlogmas for Christmas. And I am already feeling a little bit overwhelmed, I suppose. I kind of feel like I'm getting lost in the Caribbean Sea. Anyways, for those of you who are here, who are taking time to kick it with me, I really appreciate your company. And I will see you again tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas. Peace.